Guys, Sora 2 just flipped the entire video world upside down. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone's trying to get in. But you're right on time. This video will show you exactly how people are creating insane videos using Sora 2. Absolutely free. So grab your seat. Let's go. Trust me, this AI isn't just making videos. It's changing the whole game. So yeah, I'm not skipping this one. Alright. First of all, let me make this clear. Sora 2 isn't officially available in every country yet. So if it's not working in your region, you can simply connect a VPN to access it. Now listen me very carefully and see here. Step 1. Open Google and search escaping.work. Click the first result, scroll a bit, and hit Sora for all. Boom. A new window pops up, and it's crowded. Everyone's here begging for an invite code. But don't worry, I've got the shortcut. Click Get Invite Code. You'll see a few lines of text. Copy them, paste them below, and type 4. Then copy the final line and paste it too. And just like that, you've got your invite code. Open a new tab, search Sora 2, then paste that invite code, hit Next, and boom, you're in. If your first code doesn't work, don't panic, try again. You're officially inside the future of video creation. Let's test it. I'll drop my prompt here. Click Generate, and wait about a minute. There it is.
Another day to protect the city.
A full cinematic video. The sound is clean, the lip sync looks real, the visuals are stunning. But hey, that watermark? Yeah, we'll fix that next. Now, let's level it up. Head to ChatGPT. Tell it this. You have 7 years of experience creating viral video ads. Give me a JSON prompt. Thoughtful. Why JSON? Because it's the language AI tools understand best. It structures your script perfectly, so Sora reads it like a pro. Think of it as giving your prompt perfect grammar for machines. So, I start writing my prompt, word by word, carefully. Done. It's perfect. Now copy that masterpiece. Go back to Sora 2. Paste it. Under Settings, set duration to 15 seconds and orientation to landscape for that cinematic vibe. Click Generate. Wait a minute. 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Cup? Still choking down bitter office coffee? Try this. Push, pump, pour. Done. Smooth cafe quality espresso wherever you are. Over 2,000 people rate it 4.9 stars. 2 shots in 60 seconds fits in your bag. Grab Mini Presso today.
Video's ready. Bro, this looks unreal. Crystal clear sound, smooth movement, vibrant colors. Feels like a Hollywood trailer. And the best part? It's completely free. Alright, let's push it even further. Let's make a 3D cartoon story. Back to ChatGPT. Give me a JSON prompt for a 3D cartoon story. Copy, paste, click Generate. And there it is.
Don't worry, Mr. Crumbs. Detective Milo is on the case.
You said that last time, and we ended up chasing our tails.
My poor cookie.
Look, crumbs lead to the park.
Aha! The suspects are furry and fast. Case closed, but should we arrest them or join the party?
Party first, justice later.
I'm not kidding. This looks like something out of a Pixar film. The expressions, the lighting, the animation, perfection. AI just crossed another line, and Sora 2 is leading the charge. Okay, now I'll show you how to remove a watermark. Just go to this website, Magic Eraser, drop your video in, and watch the watermark disappear. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's imagination turned real. Those who learn it today will lead tomorrow. So stop waiting for perfect. Start experimenting. You don't need fancy gear. You just need ideas and consistency. Because every click you make, every video you create, brings you one step closer to mastery. And remember, knowledge only grows when it's shared. So if this video helped you, share it, teach others, and let's grow together, one creation at a time.